Principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Aditi Vishwan from class 6. Today I am going to demonstrate an experiment based on the Archimedes principle. The Archimedes principle states that when an object is placed in water, it experiences an upward force which is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the object. This upward force is known as the buoyant force. When the buoyant force is more than the weight of the water, the object floats. And when it is less than the weight of the object, it sinks. So today, based on this principle, I am going to show you an experiment in which I will show you that the shape and volume of an object matters in for floating and sinking while it has the same material and mass. So today I am having two equal sizes of aluminium foil, a beaker containing water and a hammer. So let's start the experiment. First I will fold the aluminium foil into a large ball. Here the large ball is ready. Now I will make a smaller ball and compress it with hammer so that the air present in it should be removed. So here both the balls are ready. One is the larger one and one is the smaller one. Now I will put both the balls carefully in the beaker. Look, the larger one is floating and the smaller one sank. Both were made out of the same material, aluminium foil, and they had the same size. But do you know why one is floating and one sank? Here, the larger one is floating because it has more volume and has air in it. And it also has less density. Density means mass per volume. And it also displaces more amount of water. Hence it is floating because the buoyant force is strong enough to support the weight of the ball. But in the case of the smaller one, it has less volume but more density in comparison to the larger one. So here the buoyant force is not strong enough to support the ball from floating. Hence it sank. So from this experiment, we get to know that floating does not only depend on weight, but it also depends on how much water an object displaces. So now I hope you have understood how the Archimedes principle works in real life. Just like big ships made out of metal float in water, but